Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 188 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Live, if you will, from the Carnival paradise. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read all the answers ourselves and take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, why do the room attendants take my animals every day? I have the bubbles package. What happens if I want the zero-proof chairs? Why are the bingo prizes the same on all boats? Is the Alchemy Martini class on all ships with an alchemy? And will Carnival ever come back to the port of Boston?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know why the stateroom attendants, cabin attendants, room stewards, whatever they're called, keep taking the towel animals every day. They really like them and they want them to stay in the room. John said, probably because they assume most people don't want to have all the towel animals. They want to see it and move on to the next one. So that's his guess as to why. But if you ask them, most of the time they will leave them there for you. Us, Liz and I personally, we love having a small zoo at the end of the cruise with all the towel animals. We'll put them on the bench, and if they take them the first night, we'll ask them not to, and then you get to keep all your animals. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know how the new Zero Cheers package would work if they already bought the Bubbles package. John said, all you need to do is cancel the bubble package and buy the new zero-proof chairs. They're not going to overlap, and technically there's no need to have both of them. So if you wanted to go to the zero chairs, not the bubbles, go ahead and cancel that one. They'll refund the money back to you and then purchase the new zero chairs. So if you like stuff, but you don't like to drink alcohol, the zero-proof chairs is great for you. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know why the bingo prizes are the same on a 3,000 passenger ship as they are on a 5,000 passenger ship. John said, because also they said the odds are better on a lower one. So I don't know what the question's about, but John said it doesn't matter the size of the ship. The prizes are standard across the fleet. So if you're on a small ship, we're on the Paradise right now, 2,200 people. You go on to another ship that has 6,000 people, bingo prizes are going to be the same. Question four. This cruiser attended the Alchemy Martini class and they absolutely loved it. And they wanted to know, hey, is this on every ship that has an alchemy bar? Because they would really love to do it again. John said they do offer this on a lot of ships, but not necessarily every one. And it's not advertised. You need to go to the Alchemy and figure out when it's going to be. It doesn't show up in the fun times or anything like that. So go to the Alchemy bar. They'll let you know, A, if they have it, B, when it is, and you see how much it is. Question five. This cruiser wanted to know, will Carnival ever come back to the port of Boston? Because they love sailing out of there. John said, no, there are no plans to do this at the moment, but as they always say, you never know. They said multiple times when they were asked that question, why is apparently the bookings are not that strong out of Boston. So they discontinued them, and there you go. So that's been episode 188 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.